Deeper life sisters, come close. Come a little closer. Come close. And if you're not a deeper lifer, just keep scrolling. Now I want you to go back to Prudence Gabriel's page and watch how she dresses and come back here again. Have you realized that you can combine decency with a little touch of classiness and extravagance? That is what we call modesty. A lot of times I realize that people laugh at the way we dress, laugh at how we are outmoded because we have not learned to combine decency, modesty with a little touch of class. You don't have to look ugly just because you think that ugliness actually means decency. Looking ugly does not necessarily mean you are decent. Not looking presentable enough does not guarantee that you are going to make heaven. No. A lot of times we think that not looking presentable enough means that we are on our way to heaven. No, that's not how things work. Let's make the gospel attractive. Let's make the gospel beautiful by adding a little bit of touch to the way we dress. In as much as we want to be decent, let's learn to style ourselves, style our clothes, so that we can look good. Yes. Decency should go with class. Decency should go with beautification, not ugly.